Hello and welcome back to Rzeetweaks. Today, we are diving into the fascinating country of Qatar. From its stunning architecture to its rich culture, there is so much to explore in this Middle Eastern gem. Qatar, located on the Arabian Peninsula, is known for its futuristic skyline and luxurious lifestyle. With a thriving economy and a rapidly growing population, Qatar has become a hub for business and tourism in the region. One of the most iconic landmarks in Qatar is the Pearl Qatar, an artificial island that boasts luxury residences, shopping centers, and marinas. It is a popular destination for both locals and tourists looking to experience the high-end lifestyle of Qatar. For a taste of traditional Qatari culture, a visit to Rzeetweaks is a must. This bustling market is filled with shops selling spices, textiles, and traditional handicrafts. Visitors can also enjoy delicious local cuisine at the many restaurants and cafes in the area. Art enthusiasts will appreciate a visit to the Museum of Islamic Art in Doha. This architectural masterpiece houses a stunning collection of Islamic art from around the world, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of the region. No trip to Qatar is complete without experiencing a desert safari. Visitors can ride camels, go dune bashing, and enjoy a traditional Bedouin-style dinner under the stars. It is a thrilling and unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Qatar's natural beauty